Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. New and beautiful new latest ideas crochet pattern and different design and different style ideas beautiful crochet pattern and crochet pattern ideas like different latest ideas and latest design styles looks. So here are some ideas related to crochet pattern like crochet flower color, flower patchwork and different latest look style design, floral designs, flower patchwork like short dress shirts ideas and latest colorful combination multi-shade rainbow color shades, flower crochet dress shirts, women fashion styles and latest ideas, cardigan sweater styling for this design and latest styles looks. So I hope you like it my video creating a crochet sweater shirts combine the coziness of a sweater with the style of a short. Here are simple pattern ideas and looks styles designs like start by crocheting a rectangle for the front panel using for your stitch pattern. Double crochet the size of the rectangle will depend on the spread width and length of your shirt. Add shaping if distracted by increasing or decreasing stitches at the side. So I hope you like it my video. Take care.